Today, in this video, we will design an Instagram post using Canva. You can also upload Instagram posts to Facebook or other social media platforms like Pinterest or YouTube community posts. The posts we create can be shared across these platforms. This is a practice session. We will start with a basic design and then progress to more advanced techniques throughout this course. Make sure to watch all the videos and practice along with them. In the description box, you'll find a link to the playlist containing all the videos for the complete Canva course. Let's start the video. I want to design a promotional post for a real estate business using Canva. To start, I'll choose an Instagram post frame. Click on Create Design and search for Instagram. When Instagram first started, it primarily used square-sized images, typically 1080 by 1080 pixels. However, Instagram now also supports portrait-sized images. For example, you can choose a portrait size of 1080 by 1350 pixels. Let's create a promotion post to promote the services of my real estate business. For now, I have chosen a square frame, but you can use any of them. After that, on the left side, you can see some templates that you can use for your design. You can also find a lot of templates in the free version. However, we are going to create a design from scratch using the free features of Canva. First, I need a background, so I go to the elements and search for house. I'm looking for a cool house background picture. This one looks cool, so I'll choose it. Right-click on the image and select Set Image as Background to automatically set it as the background. Next, I want to add a blue shade layer on top of the background. Choose a rectangle from the elements, adjust it to fit the frame, then select the desired color and set the opacity to 60%. After that, add some frames for pictures. I have 4 pictures, so I'll add 4 frames. 1 large frame and the rest smaller. First, add a rectangle frame from the elements. Then, add 1 rectangle at the bottom and fill it with white color. Then, adjust the rectangle frame. After this, add 3 circle frames from the elements. Upload your images, add them to the frames, and adjust them accordingly. Next, add strokes to the frames. Click on the border style option, increase the weight, and choose the white color. Do the same for all frames and adjust the circle frames as needed. Now, I want to add border lines. To create these, use rectangles from the elements. First, pick a rectangle, then reshape it into a line and adjust it on the left side. After adjusting the line, duplicate it and place it on the right side. Create a new line at the top and adjust it with the left side line. Group the left side lines together by selecting them and pressing Ctrl+G. Duplicate the grouped lines and adjust them on the right side. Now, put these lines behind the elements by right-clicking, selecting Layers, and then clicking Send Backward. Next, it's time to add text. First, add a heading by choosing Heading from the text option. Write your heading. Here, I'm going to write Elegant. Choose white from the color box and adjust the heading to the top of the post. Then, add a subheading and position it below the heading. Add lines for effect and change their color. I've chosen yellow, but you can choose any color you prefer. I also want a yellow stroke on the bottom rectangle. Select the rectangle and increase the border weight. To display only the upper line and not the others, increase the size of the rectangle from the left, right and bottom sides accordingly. Finally, Add body text at the bottom of the subheading. Choose body text from the text box, paste your text, and adjust it to fit your post design. Now, at the bottom of the post, I want to add a button, phone number, website name, and URL. First, let's create a button. Add a corner curved rectangle from the elements, then decrease the corner rounding as desired. Choose a gradient color from the color box. Next, add book text into the rectangle. Select both the rectangle and text, then group them by clicking the Group button or using the shortcut key. Next, add the phone number. First, we need a phone icon. Go to the elements and search for a phone icon. Choose one that you like, add it to the design, and change the color from the color box. Adjust it to the bottom left side of the button. Then, add a heading, write the phone number, and position it next to the icon. Add one more text element above the phone number, changing the text color to gray. Align them using the position tool and then group them. Now, duplicate the phone number group and adjust it to the right side of the button. Here, I'm going to add information about the website. After adding the info, add an icon for the website. Go to the elements, search for a website icon, choose one, and adjust it in your frame. After completing all the settings, our post is ready. As you can see, it looks great. How does it look to you? Please leave feedback in the comments section. This is our final result. Let's see a second example. In this example, we'll learn how to customize logos in Canva. Click on Create a Design and then search for Logo. You'll find a lot of logos to choose from. On the left side, there are many logo templates. If you want a logo, you can choose any template and customize it according to your preference. For example, I pick this one. I can replace T with D and H with AI. I can also change the colors. Let's look at another logo. Let's pick the Panther logo. Suppose I want to change the Panther's eye color to red. Select the Panther, and you'll see 4 color options on the bar. Click on the yellow color and choose red. As you can see, his eye color has changed to red. You can also change his skin color. That's how you can customize any logo in Canva. That's how you can design and customize social media posts and logos. You can create social media posts and logos for any business, sell them to your clients, and earn money. Canva offers a wide range of tools and features that make designing easy and fun. To become more proficient, create different designs in Canva for better practice. The more you practice, the more professional you will become. Experiment with different templates, elements, and color schemes to discover your unique style. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please leave a comment below to let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to press the bell icon to receive the latest updates and notifications about our new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.